Input costs are elevated for airlines at the moment. Their two highest cost items, their two biggest cost items, fuel, expensive, labour, expensive. But that doesn't mean profitability for airlines is being constrained at the moment. Capacity is really limited, whether that's due to recommissioning mothballed aircraft or mostly that's just due to getting enough labour on board to fly the things. Because capacity is constrained, but demand is still strong, we're seeing full planes, we're seeing expensive tickets, and we're seeing exceptional profitability for Qantas and for Air New Zealand. But we don't expect these really good conditions to persist. Capacity is coming back, competition is coming back, and pricing competition is coming back, both for Qantas and Air New Zealand, both internationally and domestically. In the really lucrative Australian domestic market, you've got Virgin, risen from the ashes of administration. You've got Rex, which has expanded into more profitable domestic routes since the pandemic. And you've got a private equity-backed upstart called Bonza, a budget airline, which has just received its approval to fly in Australia. So I think we're really going to see a lot more competition coming back in the medium term.
This video has been prepared for clients of Morningstar Australasia Proprietary Limited and or New Zealand wholesale clients of Morningstar Research Limited. Any general advice has been provided without reference to your financial objectives, situation or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest. To obtain advice for your own situation, contact a financial advisor.